Hello everybody. Today let's learn about ancient Egypt. This is the work that we did. I would like to share this with you and you can create your own colorful presentation. So ancient Egypt. So we learned that Egypt is in Africa. So here we have Africa, the African continent. This one here. And right up here we have Egypt. Right up there we have Egypt. So here we have Egypt. Egypt is a country and its capital city is Cairo, right here. Over here is the Mediterranean Sea, which is between Europe and Africa. And then we can also see that the Nile River flows right down here through Egypt and further. So this is Egypt. Ancient Egypt has many symbols and hieroglyphics. They strongly believed in the afterlife and had many gods. They also built big statues like the Sphinx of Giza and also the pyramids. They grew food, crops and animals near the river Nile because it had fertile soil. The Nile is the longest river in the world. They used it also for transportation. So here we have some drawings that Ben did. So we have the Eye of Horus, which is a hieroglyphical symbol. We have the mask of Tutankhamun, which is a pharaoh. We have also a beautiful building of the Great Sphinx of Giza. And also here we have the pyramids of Giza. King Tut's mask is made of solid gold with lapis lazuli, obsidian and quartz. So this one here is an example of a piece of papyrus. Papyrus is from a plant, and this is what they had used instead of paper back then to do their beautiful drawings and illustrations. The Nile is the longest river in Africa. It flows into the Mediterranean Sea. So here we have the Nile River. Oops. And here you can see where all these different temples and tombs have been found along the river. So here are the pyramids right there. Down here we have Abu Simbel, which is another temple, and many other temples on the way. There are over 700 hieroglyphic symbols in the ancient Egyptian alphabet. So here are only some of them, and they're made using mainly pictures. They're engraved in stone. They're carved everywhere on temples and a lot of places around Egypt. So Egypt also had a lot of gods. So here we found a little list and I've just picked out a few of them. So Ra is the god of the sun, Osiris, god of justice, Isis, goddess of motherhood, Horus is god of the sky, Bennu is the phoenix god, Anubis, god of death, Geb, god of earth, Sobek, god of the Nile, Imhotep, god of reasonable thinking. So this is the work that we did. And I will put a little presentation after this video so we can learn a little bit more. Also, if you're interested, so the list of the gods we found at egypttooursportal.com. And you can find lots of other information on education.nationalgeographic.org. So there's a wide variety of articles you can learn about different things about ancient Egypt. here we go. I hope you're having fun with this project, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!